Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very healthy recipe which is drumstick leaves with scrambled egg. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get started and see the ingredients for this delicious and super healthy recipe.
Today I've taken about one bunch of drumstick leaves. Carefully clean only the leaves without the sticks. Clean it and wash it well. We need about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let's take 2 dried red chilies and 3 eggs.
These are the ingredients for our drumstick leaves with scrambled egg. So let's get started and see how to make this recipe.
Let's take a pan. Into the pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the regular vegetable oil. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Now wait till the mustard seeds splatter and the urad dal turns to a nice golden brown color. Now let's add 2 dried red chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Now let's add 1 large onion which is finely chopped and stir fry it till the onions become nice and translucent. So this is the color that we are looking for, friends. So at this stage, let's add the drumstick leaves. Do not add water to this recipe. As you can see that the drumstick leaves will start releasing all the water. Remember to keep the flame in medium and close the pan with a lid. In about 10 minutes, you can see that the leaves have released all the water. So this water is more than sufficient for the leaves to cook. Now let's add sufficient salt. I am adding about half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Reduce the flame to low and close the pan with a lid so that the greens cooks very well and soft. We need about 1/4 cup of coconut which is finely grated. Now let's take 3 eggs in a cup and mix it well. Beat the eggs thoroughly and keep it aside. You can also add a little more eggs if you prefer. Now let's check the greens. Now you can see that the drumstick leaves are cooked well. The color of the leaves have changed. Let's separate the leaves and check if there's any more water left. So at this stage, let's separate the greens and check if there's any more water left. You can see that there is a little more water left in the greens. So wait till all the water is well absorbed by the greens. Always remember to keep the flame in low. Now you can see that all the water is well absorbed by the greens. Now let's add the egg and slowly mix it through the greens till you get a nice scrambled egg texture. At this stage, let's also check the salt and add if necessary. You can see that the eggs are well cooked. For the final garnish, let's add about 1/4 cup of coconut. This is optional. Garnish it well, give it a quick mix, and a super healthy and tasty drumstick leaf poriyal is absolutely ready. This is not only a super healthy recipe, but is also absolutely yummy and tasty.
That's it, friends. Our super healthy drumstick leaves with scrambled eggs are absolutely ready. So do try this delicious recipe. It has a lot of medicinal values, as you know. It is high in iron content and also very good for sugar patients. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.